Welcome to our tutorial on management consulting. In this video tutorial, we will discuss key concepts, methodologies, processes, and tools. And after completing the tutorial, you will learn about management consulting, its importance, principles, core functions, types of services, key attributes, knowledge and skills required in management consulting. You will also be able to relate educational qualification and certification with key attributes and practical skills and then plan to become a management consultant. Management consulting is not new. It has evolved significantly from its humble beginnings in the early 20th century. In 1886, Arthur D. Little, an MIT professor, founded the first consulting firm, initially focused on technical research, later expanding into general business consulting. In 1911, Frederick W. Taylor published the Principles of Scientific Management, promoting productivity through time and motion studies. Between 1914 and 1920s, Taylor's ideas gave rise to efficiency consultants helping factories and manufacturing firms adopt scientific methods. In 1926, McKinsey & Company was founded by James O. McKinsey in Chicago to offer financial and organizational consulting. Consulting shifted toward solving financial planning, cost control, and organization design issues. Between 1950 and 1970, consulting firms began to formalize methodologies and tools. Boston Consulting Group, BCG, introduced the BCG Matrix in 1968 for corporate strategy and product portfolio analysis. Between 1980 and 1990, rise of ERP implementation created hybrid firms combining IT and management consulting. Consultants began advising on globalization, outsourcing, and market entry strategies. In 1980, firms like Bain & Company and Accenture, formerly part of Arthur Andersen, began offering IT and process improvement consulting. The Big 8 accounting firms entered consulting, offering financial and systems implementation advice. Drucker's management theories, TQM, total quality management, and lean practices gained popularity. Digital transformation and innovation era 2000 to 2010. Focus shifted to technology-enabled business transformation, data analytics, and customer-centric innovation. Firms developed digital strategy, e-commerce, AI, and cloud-based solutions for clients. Deloitte, PwC, EY, and KPMG became full-service firms blending audit, tax, and consulting. Management consulting has transformed from traditional business advising into a multidimensional industry, adapting to technological advancements, globalization, and shifting corporate priorities. Today, firms must balance expertise with innovation to navigate ever-changing business landscapes. Consulting plays a vital role in modern business by providing expert guidance that boosts efficiency, innovation, and growth. Whether for large corporations or startups, consultants help solve problems, improve operations, and seize new opportunities. Their industry knowledge and objective insights add value. Often more cost-effective than full-time hires, consultants support transformations and apply proven, adaptable strategies tailored to each organization's needs and goals. Management consulting contributes significantly to the development of a country by enhancing the efficiency, competitiveness, and innovation capacity of both the public and private sectors. The global consulting services market has grown rapidly in recent years, fueled by globalization, digital transformation, and rising business complexity. In 2022, it was valued at about $198.76 billion, increasing to approximately $327.65 billion in 2023. Projections suggest it may reach $290.86 billion by 2030, with some forecasts estimating further expansion to $494.36 billion by 2033. The global consulting services market is dominated by several key players. They are McKinsey & Company, Boston Consulting Group, Bain & Company, Deloitte, Accenture, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Ernst & Young, KPMG, IBM Global Business Services, Capgemini. Core consulting functions are essential services consultants offer to deliver consistent value. These include defining problems accurately, analyzing data for insights, developing tailored solutions, supporting implementation, and monitoring performance. Consultants also build client capacity through training. These functions, supported by industry research, enhance productivity, profitability, change success, and long-term sustainability across diverse consulting engagements. According to Bain and Company, 70% of unsuccessful transformation projects stem from incorrect or vague problem definitions. McKinsey found that data-driven decisions improve productivity by up to 6% and profitability by 5%. KPMG reports that companies are 60% more successful in change initiatives with consultant-led implementation. A professional organization is usually a membership-based association created to support the interests and development of people in a specific profession. It is often non-governmental, but still influential. Its main functions include providing education and training, setting ethical standards and best practices, advocating for the profession, networking opportunities. Professional organizations promote growth, ethics, and standards for members of a profession. Principles are core beliefs guiding consultants' behavior and decisions to ensure ethical, professional, and effective service. Key values include integrity, objectivity, competence, confidentiality, and client-first focus. Consultants must act responsibly, respect confidentiality, avoid conflicts of interest, and continuously improve their skills. They should deliver on promises, maintain professionalism, and provide unbiased, client-focused solutions based on thorough analysis. A management consultant is an expert in areas like data analysis, HR, IT, finance, and strategy, helping clients identify issues, recommend solutions, and implement changes to boost performance. They may work independently or within consulting firms like McKinsey, BCG, Bain, or specialized boutique firms, offering tailored services to help organizations achieve goals efficiently and effectively. A management consultant helps organizations boost performance, solve challenges, and manage change. They provide expert, unbiased advice, analyze operations, and shape strategy. Consultants improve efficiency, reduce costs, and guide digital transformation. Their role includes planning, training, and implementation support to ensure lasting impact, helping businesses adapt, innovate, and achieve goals without creating long-term dependency. Management consultants focus on process re-engineering, lean manufacturing, and cost-cutting measures. There is major 5 types of services they provide. Business strategy consulting helps companies create competitive strategies, explore new markets, and manage initiatives like product launches or mergers. Financial advisory provides forecasting, risk analysis, and M&A support. HR consulting enhances talent management and organizational design. Technology consulting improves IT systems and cybersecurity. Operations consulting boosts efficiency through supply chain optimization, lean processes, and cost reduction. A management consultant offers independent advice to help organizations solve challenges, enhance performance, and implement strategic change. Success in this role requires a blend of education, experience, business insight, and strong interpersonal skills. It's a career that merges analysis, strategy, communication, and industry expertise to drive impactful business solutions. If you plan to develop your career with a challenging, high-valued profession, then you need to prepare yourself before you launch the trip. You may work as a management consultant in a consulting firm, or you may work independently. To become a management consultant, earn a degree in business or a related field. Bachelor's degree helps to develop analytical, communication, and foundational business knowledge. Master's degree is preferred by the top consulting firms, often recruit from top-tier MBA programs. MBA is considered the most valued degree. Develop analytical, Excel, and presentation skills. Get certified CMC or PMP. Apply for internships in consulting firms or start independently. Key attributes or personal skills are essential qualities that enable consultants to excel in their roles. Critical abilities include analyzing complex issues, interpreting data, and developing evidence-based, tailored solutions. Effective communication, ethical conduct, strong client relationships, and a solid understanding of various business functions, such as finance, marketing, HR, and operations, are also vital for success in consulting. To successfully fulfill your consulting role, it's important to master the relevant methodologies, frameworks, and techniques. We share practical insights, real-world strategies, and easy-to-follow lessons to help you thrive in your career and beyond. If you're passionate about growing your business knowledge, sharpening your professional skills, and boosting your personal development, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell.